In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use filters on YouTube Shorts to enhance your content and make it more visually appealing. But before we dive into the details, I'd like to invite you to hit the like button if you're excited to learn how to enhance your YouTube Shorts with filters. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is essential and helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Tap on the plus button to start creating a new YouTube short. In the short creation interface, you'll find the filter option. Tap on it. Browse through the available filters and select the one that best suits your video's style and message. Once you've chosen the filter, tap on Done to apply it. Now you can start recording your short video, and the selected filter will be automatically applied in real time. Using filters on YouTube Shorts is a fantastic way to add creative and artistic elements to your content, making it more engaging for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and for more tutorials and valuable resources, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.